Hey guys, thank you for visiting LED Outfitters. I wanted to do a quick close-up video of our 18-inch Flex 12 LED mini light bar. I know we have a bunch of pictures on the website, but I feel like if we do a close-up video where you can see exactly all the angles, the ins and outs of the light bar, you guys will get a better impression of what you'll be getting when the light bar comes in. The light bar is fully waterproof, has a bunch of 8 magnets underneath, not 4 like some of the other light bars we carry. There's a track underneath and bolts holding on these brackets. They are adjustable, as you can see. The light bar has many different flash patterns. It has 120 LEDs. This light bar is bright. It will get the job done, and it's amazing. I'm going to go through some of the different flash patterns so you guys can see exactly what you'll be getting. It does have a steady burn, many different eye-catching flash patterns. Again, the light bar is available in multiple different colors. It is weatherproof, it is waterproof, comes with a single lighter plug, and it can be hardwired as well. If you have questions, comments, love to hear from you guys. Have a great day.